Ever feel like your crops are growing slower than a snail in molasses? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into how to crank up the pace of your Minecraft world by changing the tick speed. First things first, make sure you have cheats enabled on your world. You can check this by going to the game menu, then open to LAN, and ensuring allow cheats is set to on. Alright, now for the magic, open up your chat bar, usually by pressing the T key. Here's where you'll input the command to adjust the tick speed. The standard tick speed is usually 3, so get ready to change that. After you enter the command, prepare to be amazed. You'll immediately see the effects of the altered tick speed on things like plant growth, item decay, and even mob behavior. Be warned, a higher tick speed can put a strain on your computer, so experiment to find the sweet spot. Remember, a faster tick speed means everything happens quicker, including resource generation. You might find yourself with an overflowing inventory in no time. Play around with different values and see what works best for you and your playstyle. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to control the flow of time in your Minecraft world. Now go forth and conquer with your newfound control over tick speed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.